Students, welcome to our online classes. I hope that all of you are good and healthy. So, we had started chapter 2 from geography, and that is physical features of India. Students, in previous class we have studied about the distribution of northern plains and peninsular plateau, and we came to know that northern plain has been formed by the interplay of three major river systems, the Indus, the Ganga and the Brahmaputra, along with their tributaries. And the northern plain is formed of alluvial soil. And about peninsular plateau is a tableland composed of old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks. So this is all about previous topic. Let's begin today's topic. In today's class, we will discuss rest of the physical divisions of India, and that is coastal plains, Indian desert and the island groups of India. So let's start our topic with coastal plains. Coastal plains, the narrow strip of land between the coast and mountain ranges, is called coastal plains. The coastal plains is divided into two parts. Look at this map, students. In India, coastal plain. Look at this map, students. In India, coastal plain is divided into two parts: the eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. This is known as eastern and this is known as western coastal plains. So this is all about the division of coastal plains in India. Now let's discuss about the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains extend between the Western Ghats and the western coast of India. It runs from the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kanyakumari in the south. So we are discussing about the western coastal plain. So western coastal plain starts from, this is known as Rann of Kutch. And it starts from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. So it runs from Rann of Kutch in Gujarat to Kanyakumari in south. The rivers flowing through this coastal plains does not make delta. These coastal plains have intended which supports port facilities like Mumbai port is located on western coast of India. This coast is further divided into following coast: Konkan coast, Karnataka coast, Malabar coast. So look at this map, and Kanyakumari coast. The western coast is further divided into four parts. The first one is Kathiawar coast, second one is Konkan coast, third one is Kannada coast, and fourth one is Kanyakumari coast. The coastal plains of India is divided into two parts: eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. And western coastal plain is further divided into four parts: Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast, Kannada coast and Kanyakumari coast. So Konkan coast is between Daman to Goa, Karnataka coast is between Goa to Karnataka, and Malabar coast between Mangalore to Kanyakumari. Now, the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains extends between Eastern Ghat and eastern coast of India. It extends from Kanyakumari to West Bengal. So, the second division of India's coastal plain is eastern coastal plains. and it stretches from West Bengal to Kanyakumari in south. This is all about eastern coastal plains, and western coastal plains from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. It is broader coastal plain as compared to western coastal plains. Various rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna river make the delta here. On western coastal plains, rivers are not making delta. And in eastern coastal plains, the various rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna river makes the delta. It again is divided into three parts: Coromandel coast, Andhra coast and Utkal plains. So, eastern coast is also divided into three parts: Utkal coast, Andhra coast and Coromandel coast. And western coastal plain is divided into four parts: Kathiawar coast, Kannada coast, Kanyakumari or Malabar. Kanyakumari coast is also known as Malabar coast. So this is all about the division of coastal plains. Again, understand this topic. Indian coastal plain is divided into two parts: eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains starts from West Bengal to Kanyakumari, and western coastal plains starts from Rann of Kutch to Kanyakumari. Eastern coastal plain is further divided into three parts: Utkal coast, Andhra coast and Coromandel coast. And western coastal plain is further divided into four parts: Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast, Kannada coast and Kanyakumari coast, which is also known as Malabar coast. So Coromandel coast lies between Kanyakumari to Madras. It is also called as Northern Sarkar. Andhra coast extends between the Krishna and Mahanadi river, and it covers maximum part of Andhra Pradesh state. And Utkal plains extends from Ganga to Mahanadi delta, and it covers maximum part of Odisha states. So this is all about the coastal plains. Let's move towards the next division of India, that is the Indian desert. The Indian deserts lie towards the western margins of Aravalli Hills, and it is located on the northwest of Aravalli Hills. So look at this map. This is Aravalli Hills, and Indian desert is located on the northwest of Aravalli range. This region receives low rainfall as 150 mm per year. It is because of this it has a arid climate with low vegetation cover, and it is because of this it is known as Marusthali. Indian desert is an undulating land, sandy plains covered with the sand dunes, and these regions receive very low rainfall, and it has a arid climate with low vegetation cover. Streams appears during the rainy season only. Some of land features present here are like mushroom rocks, shifting of sand dunes and oases. Luni River is the only river that flow in this region. Luni River is the only river that flow in Indian desert. High evaporation, low rainfall makes it a water lacking region. So desert is all about low rainfall, heavy evaporation and water lacking issue. Due to this, water turns into brackish, and it is the main source of obtaining salt. Barkhans covered in the desert area. Barkhans, they are the sand dunes, crescent shaped sand dunes cover larger area, but longitudinal dunes become more prominent near the Indo-Pakistan boundary. So this is all about the Indian desert. Now next, the most interesting division of India is the island group of India. What is island? An island is an area surrounded by a water from all sides. Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island are located in Arabian Sea. Look at this map, students. In Bay of Bengal, Andaman Nicobar Islands are located, and in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep Island is located. So the island group of India is divided into two parts: Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Andaman Nicobar Island lies in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Island located in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar Island consists of 572 small islands in it. It is divided into two groups, Andaman in north and Nicobar in south. Both are separated by 10-degree channel. So, look at this map, student. This is the location of Andaman Island and this is the location of Nicobar Island, and this island is separated by 10-degree channels. These islands are of volcanic origin. Barren Island is the only active volcano which is situated here. This is very important point. The active volcano in India is Barren Island. Saddle Peak is the mountain peak found in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and Mount Euler in Nicobar Island. Its area is 7,950 square kilometers, and the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. So this is all about Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is a volcanic. These islands are of volcanic origin. The Barren Island is the active volcano here. Saddle Peak is the mountain peak found in Andaman Islands. It is about 7,950 square kilometers, and Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Lakshadweep Islands. These islands are located in Arabian Sea, and there are 36 islands in this Lakshadweep Islands. So the Minicoy is the largest island among all the islands, and these islands are of coral origin. Now, what is coral? Coral polyps are short-lived microscopic organisms which live in colonies. They flourish in shallow and mud-free and warm waters. They secrete calcium carbonate, and the coral secretion and their skeletons form coral deposits in the form of reefs, and they are mainly of three kinds: barrier reef, fringing reef and atolls. So this is the picture of corals, and the area of Lakshadweep Island is 32 square kilometers, and the capital is Kavaratti. So this is all about the physical division of India, and we came to know that physical division of India is divided into 6 parts: the northern plains, the great Himalayas, the peninsular plateau, Indian desert, coastal plains and islands. So this is all about today's topic. Thank you, students.